Assalamu alaikum. Today we will study lethal genes. Lethal genes, they are genes which cause the death of the living organism if they are present in pure states. يبقى lethal genes, they are genes if they are found in pure state cause death. Types of lethal genes: dominant lethal genes and recessive lethal genes. Number 1, yellow mice. In yellow mice, Y capital die. They are genes if they are found in pure state cause death. Y capital is dominant pure. In yellow mice, Y capital dies. The individual who carries two dominant genes dies. Bulldog strain in cattle, B capital dies. Recessive lethal gene. Number 1, absence of chlorophyll in plants. Absence of chlorophyll means that the plant grows in white color. C small dies. Pure recessive. C small pure but recessive. Infantile dementia in human. Infantile dementia causes mental retardation. D small dies. So, types of lethal genes. What are lethal genes? Lethal genes are genes if they are found in pure state cause death. Pure dominant or pure recessive. There are 4 examples of lethal genes. The first example is yellow mice. Yellow mice is the dominant lethal gene. The individual who carries 2 dominant genes, pure dominant, Y capital dies. Bulldog strain in cattle. The individual who carries 2 dominant genes, B capital die. Recessive lethal gene, absence of chlorophyll in plant. The individual who carries 2 recessive genes, C small pure recessive, dies. Infantile dementia in human, a disease causes mental retardation, D small dies. The ratio in dominant lethal gene 2:1. 2 phenotypes are produced. The ratio in recessive lethal genes 3:0. 1 phenotype produced. An example. Page number 17 in booklet. Crossing between 2 hybrid yellow mice. في كل مسائل lethal gene 2 parents are hybrid. In all problems of lethal genes the 2 parents are hybrid. عرفنا منين ان دي problem of lethal gene yellow mice. Bulldog strain, absence of chlorophyll, or the plant grows in white color, or infantile dementia are 4 keywords for lethal gene. And the presence of the word die in the problem. Okay? In all problems of lethal gene 2 parents are hybrid. Y capital Y small. This parent produces 2 types of gametes and the other one produces 2 types of gametes. The first generation will be Y capital Y small. The first one is pure dominant die. In yellow mice, the individual who dies which carries Y capital or 2 dominant genes. Y capital Y small yellow. Y capital Y small yellow, as yellow dominates over gray. Y small is gray. The ratio will be 2 to 1, not 3 to 1. 25% of the first generation die. هنا في 2 phenotypes, yellow and gray, and the ratio 2 to 1. Example 2. When germinating grain of maize plant, white seedling is observed. White means no chlorophyll, no green color. That died after that. Died is a key word. Means that this problem is lethal genes. The two parents are hybrid gametes. This parent produces two types of gametes and the other one produces two types of gametes. The first generation, C capital, C capital, C capital, C small, C capital, C small, C small, C small. 3 green and the C small dies. The ratio will be 3 to 0. 1 phenotype, 3 green. هنا 2 phenotypes, yellow and gray, 2 to 1, 3 to 0. 25% die. A normal cat gave birth 3 normal cats, and the fourth had enlarged head, died after that. Died. Keyword means that this problem is a lethal gene case. The two parents are hybrid. A capital A small, A capital A small. This parent produces two types of gametes, and this one produces two types of gametes. A capital, A capital, A capital A small, A capital A small, A small, A small. Which one will die? A capital or A small according to the ratio. If the ratio 2 to 1, capital dies. This one dies. If the ratio 3 to 0, small dies. The ratio 3 normal cats, and the fourth, the ratio is 3 to 0. 1 phenotype produced, 3 normal, 1 phenotype, 3 normal. يبقى so the one who dies is small, 3 normal to 0. Okay. 2 husbands, both of them are hybrid in infantile dementia. Infantile dementia is a keyword that the problem is a lethal gene case. The two parents are hybrid. The parent number 1 produces 2 types of gametes, and the second parent produces 2 types of gametes. D small dies, as infantile dementia is a recessive lethal gene. 3 normal to 0. Good luck.